So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Two Dudes channel. I'm Rico, and I have a little bit of a different video. It's not gonna be near as informational. So as you guys could guess by the title, I am going to have a new channel focusing on e-commerce, of course, but it'll be a little bit different. You know, I'll be able to talk about some of the black hat stuff. This channel isn't going anywhere, by the way. So if you guys are thinking like me and Dan are splitting up and that's the end of it, no, Dan's gonna have his own channel where he can focus on, you know, more like business and finance and credit and stuff like that. And, you know, I can focus on what I do best, and that's make money. So for the people that wanted more than like just Amazon, obviously the new channel, the Roughnecks Ecom channel, is gonna be for you. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link in the description below so that way you guys can jump on and you can come over there. New content will be coming shortly. You know, I've been shooting a lot for you guys. There's gonna be more tutorial style things, you know, more walkthroughs, you know, to kind of help you guys out, because that's something that we heard a lot about on this channel. You guys are like, oh, we need tutorials, we need this, we need walkthroughs, you know, we don't necessarily know what to do. So gonna help you guys out with that one. Dan will be doing the same thing on his. So no, we're not splitting up. Two Dudes is still here. You know, the Amazon course is still here, but we have our respective projects coming out, you know, because there are certain things that, you know, we can't do as an entity, right? As two dudes. Like there are certain things that, you know, we have to be able to do apart. You know, he's gonna have his inner circle coming. I'm gonna have my inner circle coming. He's gonna have his Diamondbacks inner circle, and I'll have the Roughnecks inner circle. And of course, his will be focused more on business and mentorship, finance, stuff like that. And then of course, mine will be focused on making money. If you guys have not joined the Facebook group, it's down there. You know, the new Facebook group, you know, we talk about Shopify and Facebook ads and you know, drop shipping, just in general, all types of stuff, like, you know, how to make money online and offline, because as you know, that's important. A lot of you guys may not be as comfortable selling online, you know, with like Amazon or eBay or whatever. Some of you may want to have a physical business, kind of like I do, and that's fine. And that's what, you know, I go over, like, hey, this is how I built the brand. This is what I did here. This is how I accomplished this. You know, did a lot of different things, and you know, I just kind of want to impart that knowledge, because here, you know, we're really kind of hamstrung, you know, with Amazon and stuff, which obviously this is, you know, going to be the focus, you know, on this channel. But if you guys want to learn something a little bit different, you got to jump over on the Roughnecks Ecom group. So go ahead, it's right there. Get into the new channel. We'll see how it goes. You know, I definitely, you know, think this will be a good thing. You know, it's not like Two Dudes is retiring or any of that stuff, so you guys can get that out of your head. You know, we just have two projects that we want to work on, you know, separately, because, you know, like, it doesn't necessarily fit the Two Dudes ethos. You know, this is definitely, you know, a, you know, Rico and Dan type of deal. So it's gonna be fun, guys. You're in for a wild ride. There's gonna be tons of new content coming from the both of us. There's gonna be tons of new things. Obviously, with the, you know, with the Roughnecks inner circle and the Diamondbacks inner circle, you guys are gonna be getting a ton of stuff, things that we couldn't necessarily do together because it's just too much content. Like, if you're interested, make sure you check out the Roughnecks channel. We love you guys. It's been a wild ride. You know, it's not like we're going anywhere, but, you know, thank you so much for making, you know, the last year super, super awesome. We have tons of things coming for you moving forward. So we just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I wanted to give you a heads up for, you know, for my stuff. Dan will obviously do the same with his, you know, Diamondbacks group. So you guys be on the lookout for that. Make sure, again, you guys get into the free Facebook group below and all that. And, you know, I'll see you on the Roughnecks Ecom channel. Later.